Pynibor nakaslem jong Nongshong Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jilla uba sneo bhalang dhar habakran cekilat pathai kubor menta kasngi ka khandai trek unaitung 8,000 apusan halor ka jinglong jingman ki Nongshong de Madan ha khandai lat ulo ong ba unget scam bagi pat ba jongi kimdei ki ba persha ya ka Sorkar ulo ong ba umban se ban ai jingerap ban pelong ba kinyo ban shong ha ki Jaka ba biang Watla ka don ka hukum na ka ying bisharu Henry ki pat ba kilong ki balanang lastat ban snotho. Ubas ne bhalang ula kerpa di ki Nongshong de Madan ki badon hakandai lat bakin ye trailang bat ka Sorkar. Kam de satya ba ka Sorkar kan la ban ai Jaka ha ka dur ka bakikwa. Henry kum mentri unle kat bala ban trei ban pelong ya ka Jaka ha ka rukom ka babiang bakin la ban shong that ha ka Jaka balabu. Habakali halor ka jing bamkwa jangki ban mi nagate ka Jaka usembut Menteri Rangba uloong tu ai bangin shim ya kani hakaliang ka babha bat hakalinti ka badai habakali pat ya ka Sorkar kan Pynibor ne lada kimkwa ban mi ubas ne bhalang ula juba baka Sorkar kam Donkam ban Pynibor namar ushanya bakipat ba kinsami hi dalade bat kin yatrelang bat ka Sorkar.
I am very confident. I know my peoples, they never go against the government because we are on their behalf. We will try to help them to put them to the right place. Okay, maybe court orders defense is there, but hopefully they are all civilized, they are all people understand things. I request them personally from my side to cooperate with the government. We will try to put them in the right place. Yes, maybe it's not possible to give them a good place up to the mark like how they expected. But especially me as a minister, I will work in such a manner, so slowly I will try to put them in the right place.
But many are reluctant to shift.
Don't worry, process is on. Put a positive always in the right direction.
Will the government use force if they are reluctant to shift?
That question is not appropriate at this juncture. Why should it force? They will force by themselves to go in the right place.
Then how are you planning to meet July 22nd?
Don't worry, government know how to work accordingly. We know how to work accordingly. I'm very confident my people will cooperate with us. I'm very confident.
The deadline doesn't arise, so you have to wait for the August 15th.
Yeah, after
August 5th.
we have to wait till the deadline. So after that, so even now, so most of them are relaxed. They already say yes, sir. So
But some are reluctant.
and if maybe next week, so I will inspect the place personally by myself to make sure to get a good place, to get a good light and a good toilet. All this, we'll try to make things into place. Because you see, anything you start at the initial stage, pain is always there. And after that, it will be okay. It will fall into place.